Two rising stars in email marketing, Brevo and Moosend. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Brevo, multi-channel marketing made simple. And on the right, Moosend, affordable, powerful email marketing. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's how we're going to compare Brevo and Moosend. First up, pricing, because let's be real, who doesn't want a deal? Then features and automation, since those can totally level up your marketing game. We'll look at integrations, analytics and deliverability, ease of use, customer support, and of course, what other users are saying. If you love mind maps, imagine all those branching off from the big decision. Which tool should you go with? Kicking things off with pricing. So Brevo actually gives you a free plan that lets you send transactional emails, which is kind of rare. It scales with you, so if you blow up next year, it basically grows too. But, the big but. If you want those bells and whistles features, your bill does creep up. Now, Moosend's whole vibe is looking affordable. Lower starting costs, and it's pretty attractive if you've got a growing list. There are a few limits, especially on automations and transactional emails, but for most folks starting out, it's super wallet friendly. So for pricing, Moosend takes the win if you're watching your spending closely. Let's talk features and automation. Brevo comes in hot. You get email, SMS, WhatsApp, push notifications. It's like a marketing control center. And their visual automation builder is super slick. You can trigger stuff with APIs and webhooks, which is, honestly, impressive. Only downside? No interactive AMP emails, but unless you're craving that, most users won't miss it. Over in Moosend land, you get a solid automation builder, a bunch of email templates, and all the basics. But it doesn't do transactional emails. And honestly, multi-channel just isn't its strength. So when it comes to versatility and power, Brevo definitely wins this round. Integrations. Always a fun one. Brevo has 58 integrations, which, is nothing to sneeze at. CRM and e-commerce are covered, but sometimes you hit a random sync delay. It's rare, but it happens. Now, Moosend? Whoa, they roll out with a massive 85 integrations. It works with pretty much everything you'd expect, which is awesome. Sometimes you might see a glitch when the platform updates, but honestly, more connections means more flexibility day to day. For integrations, Moosend ekes out the win. Oh, and here's something cool about Moosend. In 2025, they have absolutely perfect user review scores. Like 0 negative reviews. That almost never happens. No wonder they're getting hype lately. Analytics and deliverability. Brevo's got this seriously advanced AI-driven send time optimization, and their analytics dashboard is nerd heaven. If you're just starting out, it might look a bit overwhelming. Fair warning. Moosend's not slouching either. Their delivery rates are over 98%, and campaign reporting is super clear. The pro tools are fewer, though. For anyone who wants that deep dive, Brevo's the winner here. Ease of use. Okay, so Brevo's interface feels really modern, snappy, intuitive. Basically, you won't spend all afternoon just figuring out where the settings are. Onboarding's fast, whether you're new or a pro, but as you dig into the advanced stuff, it does get a bit thick. Now, Moosend, it's just simple, especially if you're only sending emails. But, and yeah, there's a but, the interface looks a bit out of date. And if you actually want to do something complicated, you're looking at a steep learning curve. For day-to-day comfort, Brevo's got the edge. Let's chat customer support. Brevo's got 24/7 coverage with email, chat, and phone, even though, truthfully, folks have reported some wait times here and there. Moosend has chat, a big old knowledge base, and even video tutorials, which is actually kind of cool. And users are really happy with them. There are fewer direct support channels overall, but going by user satisfaction, Moosend quietly wins this one. Next up, user satisfaction. So Brevo has a pretty broad user base, and for small or medium businesses, it's honestly reliable. But fair warning, some reviews mention headaches with integrations. Moosend, on the other hand, gets really, really high ratings. In fact, minimal negative feedback at all. It's a bit niche, so not as many reviews floating around, but the users they have, they're legit thrilled. So, you know what? For pure user happiness, Moosend's the favorite. If you stacked up scores for every category, you'd see Moosend shine in pricing, integrations, support, and user happiness, while Brevo dominates automation, analytics, and usability. No clear runaway in every category. It's all about what fits your needs. So here's how I break it down. If you want big league features, advanced automation, and an easy start, Brevo is where I put my money. But if you're counting every marketing dollar, care about top-notch support, and want something users are raving about, Moosend is just hard to beat. Really depends on what matters for your business. All right, so what about you? Which email tool would you actually try? Let me know below. And hey, your next high-converting campaign could be one click away.